Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Today we're just going to be installing some wheel spacers on my Hunkit Junk 550. So all you'll need for this install is a jack stands, a 17mm socket with a breaker bar, and if you're bougie, a drill or impact. Make sure to chock the back tire before you start. Make sure that before you start jacking up your car, you put it underneath the designated jack spacer. First, before you start jacking up your car, you're just going to go ahead and break the lug nuts loose with your breaker bar. Since there's no more jack points on the front of the car, you're just going to go ahead and put your jacks underneath the subframe. Now that the lug nuts are all broken loose and the car's up in the air, just go ahead and remove the rest of them and take the wheel off. Now that the wheel's off, you're just going to go ahead and install your wheel spacer. But I recommend getting wheel spacers that are hub-centric and getting longer lug bolts. That you got your wheel back on, just go ahead and hand tighten the lugs. Now that the lugs are hand tight, you're just going to go ahead and remove the jack stand and lower the car. Now the car's back on the ground, you're just going to go ahead and tighten all the lug nuts with your breaker bar. Unless you're a nerd, you can just go ahead and use a torque wrench. Now that this one's all done, just go ahead and repeat the process for the rest of the tires. Here's before the wheel spacers. And here is after. That'll be it for this video, guys. Let me know if there's any suggestions of what we should do next or any improvements we can do on our videos. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.